Hi guys, thanks for joining me again today. I'm going to be using more of the Yupo Card and the alcohol inks. This time I'm using Patina and Stream. I just thought those would work quite nicely together. I will be using my alcohol blending solution again. I've just popped it into a bottle here with a really fine nozzle. So I'll be using my hairdryer just to blow and move the ink about. So I'm going to start with the patina, and again we only need such a small amount of this colour. It goes a very long way, and we're just trying to achieve that sort of smoky effect for the background. So we don't want anything too strong. So as you can see from what I'm doing, I'm just literally just chasing the ink around with the dryer. So we need a tiny little bit of colour, a fair bit of blending solution, and then keep that contained by just moving the hairdryer around where your ink have been placed. Try not to direct the hairdryer in one position, because it will just shoot across the card and then we won't get that area that's contained. But you can see from that, I'm hoping you can see under the camera how nice that looks, that really nice sort of, it's almost like there's waves within. And we're just going to work our way up the page again. I'm actually going to pick a little bit of the dandelion to just go in between. The colours are quite similar actually, patina and stream. One is lighter than the other, but just to break it up I think I'm going to use the dandelion. Okay, so I really like the way that the yellow's broken up that blue now. It works really well. So it's always worth experimenting with your colours. You know, never be frightened. It's just a piece of card at the end of the day. So you know, we find some of our you know, best masterpieces through accident, don't we? So yeah, persevere. Okay. So I'm just breaking at the lines here along the edge. So I'm just putting a little bit of the blending solution. And then it just takes that harshness away. Okay, so that's another one that's complete there. If I hold it up to the camera, you can see the effects. And as I say, it's just so much fun to create, you know, just to have a go. And then I'll stamp onto that with the archival ink, this one here. So, but I'll leave that for another day. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope that inspired you to get your alcohol inks out and your Yupo and just have a go. See you again soon. Bye for now.